Okay, now I'll tell about some important crypto projects which are in the in the lower zone right now. Obviously, Polkadot. I'll start with Polkadot as usual. You all know if you are following me for a long time. If you are following me for a long time, you all know that my highest investment in crypto is Polkadot. Almost 15% of my portfolio is in Polkadot. I mean, the current if I calculate the current value of my portfolio, then 15% of my portfolio is in Polkadot, and Aptos. Um, Almost 13% of my portfolio is invested in Aptos. Okay, same calculation. Aptos today is 15th April 2026. Okay, and point number three project is Arbitrum. Arbitrum is one of the most important holding in my portfolio. You can say that is my third highest investment. My fourth highest investment is ICP. ICP and Ondo, these are similar. Okay, because ICP and Ondo, ICP is currently trading on 2.4 US dollar. It's looking very good position right now. Ondo is currently trading on 0.25 US dollar. It's looking a very strong project, and it's looking quite strong. Okay, not quite. It's looking very strong. Ondo. Then I'll share Polygon. Polygon is currently trading on 0.083 US dollar. Okay, it's one of the fundamentally strong crypto project. Dot ICP, Ondo, Polygon, Aptos, Arbitrum. Monad. Monad, this is the most interesting crypto project I have seen in my life. Monad, this is the most interesting crypto projects. But yeah, I have invested in Monad, but not very big amount because it's looking very risky. IP. I have recently invested in IP. There was a time when I had invested in IP, and that was the zone. That was the zone maybe. Yeah, that was the zone. 2.7 US dollar, 2.6 US dollar. That was the zone. Yeah, 2.7 US dollar. That was the zone when I have invested in IP, and I sold IP at that position again. 2.7 US dollar. Okay, I have invested in IP in that time. Okay. And I have sold my total IP holding that time. Okay. Maybe 8 January, 9 January, 10 January. Maybe that was the time I sold IP because I did not create any proper target for IP at that time. But now IP is trading on a phenomenal zone, 0.49 US dollar. I have invested in IP. Okay. It's a artificial intelligence crypto project, and it's a layer one smart contract platform for artificial intelligence. I'm not going too much fundamental because not because I don't want to make this video longer. I'm just sharing my investment. Why I have invested this project? There has multiple reason. Okay. Mm, I'm not going too deep. I have invested in IP. My minimum target for IP is, I'll not say that in this video. IP. But yeah, almost 25x, 30x, more than 30x maybe IP can go to more than 25x, 30x. Okay. Vana, this is also artificial intelligence crypto project, and it's interesting crypto project, artificial intelligence interesting crypto project, that is Vana. I have invested in Vana, but not a very big amount, but yeah. So if I rank these projects based on my investment, then Polkadot is rank one based on my investment. My highest investment in Polkadot is rank one. Aptos rank two. Arbitrum rank three. ICPO is also rank three because same amount. Rank four is Ondo. Rank five is Monad. Rank 6 is Vana. Rank 7 is IP. Yeah. Dot ICP. Not. 6, 7. Rank 5 is Polygon. Rank 5 is Polygon. Rank 6 is IP. Rank 7. Rank 6 is Vana. Rank 7 is IP. Rank 5 Polygon. Rank 6 Vana. Rank 7 IP. These are the main crypto project. Almost 65 to 70% of my portfolio is invested in this crypto project. Almost you can say 70%. Okay. Almost 70% of my portfolio is invested in this 65 to 70%, almost 70% in this crypto projects. Now I'll tell about some more crypto projects. I have Altcoin in my bag, but not a very big amount. I have Startnet. Yeah, Startnet. Startnet is also looking strong. Okay. It's a VC's favorite crypto project. VC means venture capital. Okay, a lots of venture capitals have invested in this crypto project, and that's why I have invested. Only one reason. Okay, a lots of venture capital. I mean, big players, smart money. That's why I have invested. I have good investment in this crypto project, Startnet. Then I have ZK. I have ZK in my bag. Look, wait. The price. Yeah. Okay, ZK, Kaito, I have Bera. I will sell Bera. Okay, in my buying price. My buying price of Bera is 1.4 US dollar. Yeah, 1.5 US dollar. 1.4 to 1.5 US dollar. That is my buying price of Bera. I will sell Bera at that level because uh, I'm confident about Bera, but I cannot create any proper target about Bera. proper target for Bera, proper price target for Bera is looking strong, but it's not fitting on my character. Okay, every traders, every investors has their own character. Bera is not suiting in my character. That's why I'm saying. But Bera is not not a bad project. Okay, Plum. I have good amount of Plum. I have good amount of Plum. Okay, I have good amount of Plum. Plum is I have good amount of Plum. Aster, I have very small amount of Aster. Giggle, I have very small amount of Giggle. Actually, very small amount of Giggle. IO, I have good amount. I have invested a good amount in IO. Not very big amount, not a very big amount, but I have invested a good amount in IO. Quite like IP. How IP? Okay. I mean, I have invested same amount in IP, same amount in IO. Broccoli, I sold all my broccoli in my buying price. Okay. Neil, I have small amount of Neil, very small amount of Neil. Okay. And GLMR, I have invested a good amount in GLMR. I have invested a good amount in GLMR. Let's see. Don't try to copy this trade. Okay. Don't try to invest this project because this is very risky. I have invested the amount, but I'm not telling you to invest in GLMR because I'm not confident about this project. I'm not so confident about this project. Okay. This project can become 90x, 100x from this zone, but this project can become zero also. Please avoid this project. This is my request. Don't forget about 90x, 100x. Please avoid this project. Sometimes I become so high. Huddle, I have invested small amount in Huddle. Taste, very small amount. ATA, Automata, very small amount. Mavi, I have invested very small amount. Just negligible amount. Just ignore this kind of projects. Okay, Sundog, very small amount. Sweatcoin, I have invested small amount in Sweatcoin. Just ignore this project. Okay, just look at the project where I have invested. Okay, just look at the list of projects where I have invested, but please ignore these projects. Don't invest this project because I have invested a very small amount in this project. DL, Hippo, Rice, Mat, SLC, Prime. I have invested very small amount. So please ignore this project. These are very risky. I have invested a good amount in Matos. Last but not least, it's very risky. Okay, just forget about this project. I told you, more than almost 70% of my portfolio is invested in these 9 projects. Almost 70% of my portfolio is invested in this 9 project. If I add IO, if I add IO and STRK, then it will be more than 75% of my portfolio is invested in this 9 to 10, in this 11 maybe projects. In this, how many projects here? 11 projects. Okay. Now I will tell you that don't copy my portfolio. Crypto is a high risky asset and it is not regulated by Indian government, and crypto is very risky. Crypto is very risky. If you are beginner, if you are new in the financial market, please avoid crypto. If you are new in the financial market, you can do one blunder if your life, biggest blunder, that investing big amount, investing good amount in crypto. I'll tell you, crypto is a high risky asset and it is not regulated by Indian government. So please don't invest in crypto. I am sharing what I am doing. I'm not telling you to do those things what I am doing. Okay, मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ जो मैं कर रहा हूँ, और मैं कभी आपको ये रिकमेंड नहीं करूंगा जो मैं कर रहा हूँ वो करने के लिए. My Hindi is quite weak. My English is also quite weak. I am Bengali.